Hello, Ji Assalamu Alaikum. This is Wajahat Nazir. I am the owner of UAE based software company. We are offering web development, web designing, and most importantly, search engine optimization in Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, and all over UAE. So, we are mainly working for medium and small size companies. Those need not just a visiting card, those are looking for a website which can generate business for them, which can act as sales executive, which can act as sales manager to have them business leads from UAE. Believe me, it's a very versatile market. UAE is a very versatile market, very competitive market. If your website is not standing in the top 10 results when somebody is searching to approach your business. For example, I'm looking for SEO expert. I'm writing SEO expert in Dubai. So if I'm not getting you in the top 10 results, then it's useless to operate or to make a website. So we are the one, those will multiply your business by 4. If you are already making 10,000 dirham, we simply make it 40,000 just by having a website which will generate sales leads for you. This is the main point. So if your website is not acting as a business developer, it's not acting as a sales manager, then it's completely useless to have a website. Then simply print your visiting cards and arrange people. Those will start sending your visiting cards or your pamphlets to door. Your website is a website which has to be searchable, which has to be reachable, and whenever one want to search you anywhere, so it must be approachable, it must be optimized, and it has to be in the top 10 results of Google, Yahoo or Bing. So our target is small and medium sized companies, those want to compete with bigger businesses. We make you that much big, we make you equally big with a large size company, and then you can flourish in Dubai. Call for one-to-one meeting with us. We will be available for you. You can call me from Dubai, you can call me from Sharjah, even you call me from Fujairah. I will be available for you in Abu Dhabi, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, Sharjah, everywhere. And believe me, I can prove it that we can bring business for you. I will analyze your business, I will guide you in the right direction, and will exactly tell you that how you can grow your business. I will guide you throughout the procedure that how you can get business from UAE. We can also develop mobile apps. We are good in social media marketing. We can also redesign your websites. If your website is already a static one or it's only visible to you, means whenever you write something on that website, oh yeah, there are only 4 customers today, so I will make that website visible to all over UAE and you will get calls 100%. That's my promise. You just have to give me a call. So give me a call, I will come to you and will explain each and everything to you. So I'm just waiting for your call. Call me, I will be available, and our services are affordable and reliable for you. Your just one call will create a difference, and I will make you a sizable business. I will give you a sizable business in Dubai on the basis of which you don't need any sales team. You just need people, those follow, those can have those leads. Those just need to tackle or to satisfy those customers those are calling you. I will create sales leads for you. That's the main thing. So if you want one-to-one meeting with me, just call me. I will be available at your office, home or anywhere you want. So take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.